In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create the sun material. I found the combination of the nodes to create this material myself, and I'm here to share my finding with you as usual. The base mesh is a UV sphere. I pressed Ctrl 3 to subdivide, and right-click to shade smooth. This scene is using the Eevee render engine with the bloom setting turned on. Here are the nodes. Basically, we're using the emission shader with customized noise and Musgrave texture patterns. I found this combination of nodes while experimenting the texture nodes effects on the color ramp node. Red, green, and yellow, as usual. What's interesting about this node setup is the fact that it can be animated. We can also change the material's overall appearance by changing the texture node settings as well. Please feel free to experiment. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.